Steady, bring it back just a little. All right, set her down easy. Straps are secure, boss. We're good to go.
Vitals are stable.
Straps are secure on the hind legs.
Noted. Continue monitoring.
Vitals are strong. I'm uploading the cardiac data now.
All right, let's keep monitoring the respiration closely.
Heart rate steady at 55. Oxygen saturation is good.
Breathing is stable. I'm adjusting the flow valve now.
What's the final reading on the length?
3.5 meters. Noted.
Hydration levels stable at 98%.
Noted. Initiate drying sequence alpha.
Is that a lion?
How did it get in here?
Notice the density around this rosette. It's unusual for this region.
I agree. Let's make a note and proceed with the DNA extraction.
Check the grain consistency here, lot 42.
Looks good. I've updated the tensile strength score on the tablet. See this section here? The texture is slightly off.
I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Let's make a note on the tablet.
We can fit the main panel right here, but watch the grain.
Okay, and the straps should run along this edge to minimize waste.
Perfect. Let's mark the cut.
Be careful with the stylus around the mane.
I'm following the template exactly.
The lines are crisp.
Check the depth on this one. Looks consistent with the specs. I've locked it.
Make sure the tension is even right here.
Like this.
Yes, that's much better. Now attach the strap.
Hold it steady right there.
Like this?
Yes, now the mallet. Make sure the rivet is secure.
The stitching on this batch is perfect.
Good. I've checked the clasps on the last 5.
All right, send them through.
This stitching looks good.
Okay, send that one to shipping.
Excuse us, coming through.
Careful with the ambassador's bags.
Feel the richness of this mahogany leather. And as you can see, the front pocket features solid brass hardware for secure and easy access.
It gives me great pleasure to finally reveal the Marauder, featuring our signature embossed lion, a true testament to craftsmanship